Hello viewers, welcome to the channel Sampurna Adhyan. In this particular video, I am going to talk about that how to create workspace and schematic file in the OrCAD PSpice 9.1 version, student free version. In the other videos, I have also told about that how to download and install this particular software. Also in a particular video, I told that how to uninstall it properly. So just to look those videos, you can find the link in the description box also, and you can also visit my channel page and playlist also. And please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for the further uploads. And let's start with the how to create a workspace and schematic file in the OrCAD PSpice 9.1 version. So for that, you need to go into the search of a PSpice. So just type design keyword over here. You will find this particular option, PSpice Design Manager. You click on it. It will open your software. When the very first time it will open, then your window of PSpice Design Manager will look like this. Here you have the certain menus: File, Workspace, View, Tool, Help, etc. Now to create the workspace, you need to create a dedicated folder before locating this into the your this particular PSpice Design Manager. You need to go to that particular, like for example, I sorry, just for example, here I can create my workspace folder. Now let me create a workspace workspace folder with my name. Now I have created it. Now I have to locate this particular workspace into my this software. Okay. Now go to the file menu, go to the open option, open workspace. Here you will find that three dot button is over here. Just click on this. From here you can see that I have created my workspace in this download programs PSpice 9.1. Here you can find this workspace Pawan. So just click on this and click OK and open. So it will open your workspace folder over here. Now you can see that your workspace is not having any kind of further kind of a files because it is empty right now, but it is created under the that particular dedicated folder which I have created. Now to create the schematic file, you will find a certain toolbar in the very left side in vertical column, that these are the some buttons are given over here. In the first button, when you place your cursor, it will show its name that run schematic. So you need to create you click on this particular thing to create the schematic file. So click on this. This will create your schematic file. Your schematic file is that particular page where you can create your all kind of a circuits and you can simulate. Here it is different kinds of menus are here. Okay. Also simulation button is here. Also very important button, that is setup analysis here. In the other videos I will tell that how to work with these particular options, how to get the parts and all that, and how to save, how to create new one, open, you can save as also. So first of all, to create any schematic we have to save it. So let me save it. Save as. Wherever you have created your folder, you can go to that particular dedicated place by locating into this. So let me search programs 9.1 version I have created over here. I can create my schematic with the name like any of the name project underscore one. Okay. So I have created this particular schematic in the dedicated folder. Click save. So you can see that your name will be appear here. Schematic name will be appear here. That means it is now saved. So this is the way that you can create your schematic and workspace. Like if sometimes you close this particular workspace and schematic, then how to locate? Like if you close it, now again you can go to the open workspace. You can locate your folder, open, open. Then you can find that Previously it was empty, now it is having a one schematic file. To open this particular schematic, click on this plus button. You can find your project and you can double click on it, and that particular file will be open. So this is all about that how to create the workspace and schematic. For other videos, you can visit my channel page and playlist, and you can subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get the different videos based on the PSpice. Thank you.